Just got off at Yachiyodai. Apparently, the train station is at a giant mall, and it's multi-level. I don't know how many levels it's got, but we've got one going up. There's one down here, and the one I'm on right now, I gotta go back up. Rona's buying something to wear for the cold. Alright, that's about it. I just, got a lot of crap here. Okay, I gotta go through here. So it looks like an electronics store. Oh, wrong. Okay. Go this way, maybe. I don't remember this stuff here. Where's the pink? What's it called? That's it. Tutiana. And I think I've seen some. Oh yeah, I'm going the right way. Okay. A lot of cool stuff here. Well, cool as in I never know what to do with this. Just want to buy stuff, but we can't carry everything on the airplane with us. I wish I had a set that you could buy, different colored stuff. This is $490. Got some different colors, but I wonder which ones are good ones. Oh, these are gotta be good ones. They're like 120, 150 yen each. Refills or some, I don't know. All right, I'll find a set, but I'll probably find it in the Philippines instead. It's really expensive here. Signing off. I'm getting hungry.